Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine and I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to this channel, guys. It's your guy here for the Forex Miracle Robot, for Behind the Charts, Cracked File, Unlimited Version, NASDAQ Ghost Robot 1 and 2, Powerful Indicators, VIP Signal Group. Yes, this is the channel, guys. So welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Happy New Year, guys. And I wish you a successful new year with good health, wealth, strength, happiness, success, and greatness. Welcome back to this channel, guys. As we all know, the first Friday of the month, it's always NFP. And this was the first NFP 2023. We killed it, guys. USD JPY sell, we killed it. We killed it, made enough profits. We made enough profits, yeah. So that's it for today. NFP killed, NFP killed, NFP 2023 killed. The first NFP 2023 killed, killed, killed like always. So guys, without talking too much, yes, I just want to introduce you to something very powerful that is going to change your life. All traders in the world. This is what they call Chin 80 pip collector. Look at this, guys. It even gave a sell signal for USD JPY before the news. Yes, very powerful indicator. Very powerful indicator system. You follow the trend and make money. Yes, it will give you signals and alerts on your phone or email. So anywhere you are in the world, as long as you have internet connection, you are going to make money. It's going to give you signals. That's the Chin 80 pip collector. Yes, Chin 80. And the other one is very powerful one. Synthetic pip terminator. Very powerful. It gave like a sell signal before NFP. All these indicators are in the indicator group. Yeah, to join the indicator group, to get only indicators, you pay 50 euros fixed throughout the year. Yes. You get all updates and everything. Yes. That's it. Yeah, this was on gold. It gave synthetic pip gave a buy signal for ZAO USD, as you can see it before NFP. So guys, we are happy with the tools we have. We are making money. We are winning. All students are happy. All students are happy. All students are happy. Yes. All robots are working. Indicators are working. So yes, so amazing. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. Yeah. So let me just go over the group. Just this for this. This is the as you can see. This is which robot? NASDAQ Ghost Robot. Yes, NASDAQ Ghost Robot Platinum 1. Amazing. NASDAQ Ghost Robot 1. Yes, amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You can see the group. I give settings, I give settings to my students to use the robot, everything. Yeah, I cannot show you everything, but I'm just showing you that I provide one of the best customer supports in the world. Yes, the robot is the indicator. This indicator is so powerful. Robots are still working. Yes, robots are still working. So guys, I hope that you are inspired and you believe. I hope you are inspired and you believe. Yes, welcome to the winning team. If you are losing in Forex or not making it, just send me an email or text me on Telegram. Yes, text me on Telegram. Okay, guys. So that's it. I just came here to update you. I just came here. This is behind the charts. The last time I used it, it was so powerful. I was busy with the indicators, but behind the chart is so powerful. That's behind the charts robot. Yes, during the holiday, yeah, it made good profits. It doubled even a 1K account. So guys, yeah, welcome to the winning team to get indicators and robots. So here is the information, guys. Here is the information. Here is the information, guys. I want you to take 1 minute of your time to read this, guys. Read this, please. This is information 2023 behind the charts and indicators, and 3 months it's 150. NASDAQ indicators and 3 months VIP signal, instructions and top customer support 150 euros. To be part of only indicator groups 50 euros. VIP signal group 3 months is 150, 1 year 300 euros. You get powerful signals and guidance. So yes, these are the payment methods, non-refundable. So guys, welcome to the winning team. May God bless everyone. Have a nice weekend with your family and your friends. Yes, have a nice morning, nice evening, nice afternoon, wherever you are in this world. May God bless everyone. Keep on liking and sharing to this channel. I really appreciate it. Share it and, support the channel, support the channel, support the channel. So, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you have a great weekend. Hope that you have a great weekend from Forex Miracle Robot. I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.